Let's take a look at this 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Now, as you can see, this is a CC1 code, removable glass panel car, so T-tops. Underneath the hood is a 350 V8, and that's actually paired up with a T56 6-speed manual transmission that came out of a newer Camaro. 350 has 4-barrel on it, long tube headers, HEI ignition. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes, and AC, although we have not had the AC working. It looks like the majority of the components are there, and we'll pop the hood in a little bit so you can check it out, but have not had the AC working or the blower fan working, so a little heads up on that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, underside, interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And remember, you can also call us at 507-386-1726. It has had a repaint, new interior done to it. I would say the black paint is in nice shape. As with any black paint job, it seems like you're going to be able to find imperfections or light scratches, but overall this one shows well. You can see it's got a nice luster to it. Reflection of the showroom behind me. This car will show well any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Won't be afraid to show this one at all. Take a look up and down the passenger side also. You can see it's not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. Riding on the original N90 code Z28 wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Interior black vinyl buckets, seats have been recovered, door panels have been done. Now this is a nice looking dash in this one. Lots of times those are faded, cracked. There's your six speed on the floor, T56, center console, and then you have a little different gauge cluster over there, as you can see, with autometer gauges. I'll get into that a little bit when we get around to the other side. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Like I said, that cluster has been replaced with autometer gauges. It has a GPS speedometer unit in it. The odometer shows about the odometer shows about 100 miles on it. Before it was replaced, or under 100 miles. Before it was replaced, it showed 73,000, FYI. Can't confirm or deny the miles on the car just because it doesn't stay with the title once the car becomes so old. Let's see, what else? This car actually was a Southern car. It was down in the Georgia area. Kind of your trouble areas, these rear quarters, inner rockers. Look good on this car, and again, you can check that out in the still pictures that can be seen on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. There was one little kind of dinger I did notice on this side, if you can kind of see it right there. But again, overall, paint shows pretty darn nice. Take a look at the gaskets. Not all pancaked down or hard or cracked. Those look good. Let's go ahead and pop the door open. Let's check out this interior. We'll start it up so you can hear it run. Again, door panels have been replaced. Carpeting was also replaced. Seat covers. Wipers do work. Had those going earlier. Has an aftermarket stereo in it. That also works. New speakers. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Check these gauges out also. See how easily it starts. 350 sounds good in this one. Gas gauge works. Volts looking good. Water temp will come up. The car runs, obviously, and oil pressure gauge looks good. Tach working. Make sure we're in neutral here. Slip around to the back seat here and run. Door closes nicely without having to slam it. One of those big heavy doors closes nicely. Doesn't smoke. Good sounding car. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front, pop this hood so we can check out this engine bay. Take a look at that, see how that engine runs. Alright, got an aftermarket air cleaner there. And again, a 350 V8, power steering, power brakes. Compressors there, hooked up. Again, not have the AC blowing cold or the blower fan working. But like I said, it does appear that the majority of the components are there, if not all of them. HEI ignition. Smooth run V8. See that? Hood liner looks good. There you go. These are becoming one of the better body style Camaros that we deal with here at Unique. Interested? Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's that link. Click on it, it's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Just consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.